A send-off for the Meghalaya Swimming Association MSA was held at the Crinoline pool Shillong in the afternoon of 15th October. A total of 18 swimmers of the sub-junior, junior and senior categories would be taking part in the GLENMARK National Swimming Championships in Bangalore. Those selected have been trained by the MSA-appointed coach PRITAM HALDER. The president of the MSA, Joe Marwin, while speaking during the send-off, said that the association is happy to send the 18 participants of various swimming categories at the GLENMARK National Swimming Championships organized by the Swimming Federation of India in Bangalore from the 19th to 29th October 2021. Marwin announced that it is the first time that the state's junior and sub-junior swimmers would be participating in the forthcoming national event scheduled from 19th to 23rd October 2021. The senior category, however, would be competing at the national event from the 26th to 29th October, Marwin informed.
And the junior to participate in the national swimming competition which will be held at Bangalore. And also it is the third time for the seniors. So we are also from the Meghalaya State Meghalaya Swimming Association also we are very happy to send our boys to the national competition. This national swimming competition also which is organized by the SFI, means Swimming Federation of India. On the 19, the sub-junior and the junior will start on 19th to 23rd, and the senior will start from 26th to 29th.
Also speaking during the event, the president of the Meghalaya State Olympics Association, John F. Kharshiying, announced the state's new sports policy, where cash prizes and incentives, besides other benefits, would be awarded to all winners at the National, Commonwealth and Asian Games competitions who receive gold, silver and bronze medals. Participation cash prizes would also be awarded as per the new sports policy of Meghalaya.
Today, Meghalaya has turned a new chapter in sports with the notification of the sports policy. Meghalaya has turned a new chapter, and the impact of it will be understood in the years to come. So I want you to know that the Meghalaya government had notified the sports policy, approved the sports policy in June, on 10 June 2019, in their sitting in the cabinet sitting in Tura. It was notified in the Gazette on 12 December 2019. We, the MSA, wanted to create a lot of awareness, and I'm taking an opportunity to create an awareness on this matter. We are thankful to the government having finally approved a sports policy. In the earlier days, we were giving 7,500 to all the medal winners, gold. Today, as per the sports policy, it is 60,000. If you win a national medal, a gold medal. So keep that in mind. Now you're going for the nationals, juniors, sub-junior and seniors. That is Meghalaya sports policy. If you win a silver, it is 40,000. If you win a bronze, it is 25,000. And there are other incentives, many incentives here mentioned in the sports policy. There are marks. There will be a discussion with the education department where those who win national medals, there will be marks given in the curriculum in the schools. So you also know that the national education policy has been announced in July 2020, which is making sports a mandatory subject. So a number of the states are yet to, initiate this, and we from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association also, we are eagerly awaiting to have a discussion with the education department, the sports department, and the government to steamroll to start this process. If you win, if it's a team event, the first team would win 3 lakhs in any national championship. Runners-up is second 2 lakhs, and third runners-up is 1 lakh. So there's cash prize even for the teams. I just want to let you know that Meghalaya today, in the sports policy, if you then after the nationals go to the Commonwealth, win medals in the Commonwealth, if you win a gold in the Commonwealth, it is 15 lakhs. If you win silver in the Commonwealth, it is 10 lakhs. If you win bronze in the Commonwealth, it is 5 lakhs. And if you are able to even participate, participation is also 2 lakhs. So these are incentives which the MSA in collaboration with the sports department, we've been able to, lobby and ensure that this policy is now mandated, where the government will also have to implement these policies.